Guys, if there is sin in this material world, it is weakness. Weakness is sin and weakness is death. If anything make you physically, intellectually and spiritually weak, it is considered it and person and abandoned. It can't be true and there is no life in it. A person who loves God children and he serves God and he worships God. As long as millions of people remain hungry and illiterate in this world, I consider that every person, killer and terrorist who gets education their expense and doesn't care about them. On 12 January 1863, a devil character took birth in this material world named Narendranath Dutt. And before 6 years, there was the movement of 1857. In this movement, East India Company had gone in the hand of Queen Victoria, and we had become subjection politically of the British government. They hit our culture, they hit our religion and principles. They let down the Indians. They were thinking that God made white peoples to rule over the black peoples. And they were thinking that India is not a nation, that's why we will rule over them. And in this situation, Swami, and there was the condition of Indian society, women plight and Dalit problems. In this situation, Swami Vivekananda came and take challenges. There were many challenges before Swami Vivekananda. The first challenge is that how to prove as a great nation, and second, to instill confidence in the mind of Indians and so that they may take part in national movement. And third, that to prepare common people and women for national rule. And for doing all the work, give essential responsibility in the hand of young people. And to lay the foundation of national and awakening of and building of India through Vedanta and spirituality. His father Vishwanath Dutt and mother Bhubaneswari Devi worshipped Lord Bireshwar and got a child named Bilay. When Bilay had many qualities, like he used to concentrate a lot and he used to give respect a lot sadhu and sannyasi. When his father got him registered nearby the Pathshala and gave name Narendranath Dutt. And from there he learned how to abuse and how to tear cloth. Then he joined Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar School, political school. From there, 3 incidents took place. The first incident is that he went to school and over there, what happened? He sat at last bench and he was gossiping his friends, and here teacher was teaching. Then the teacher got angry and punished them. Then teacher asked question, whatever I taught you, tell me. Apart from Narendranath Dutt, nobody can give the answer. Then he gave the answer and got such surprised that he was over there gossiping with his friends and here he was listening. How it is possible? And second incident took place. Geography teacher come in his classroom and he asked a question, the capital of America. And when he asked the question to Narendranath Dutt, he gave answer Washington DC, the capital of America. Then the teacher got angry and said Washington DC is wrong and New York is correct. Then he beat him a lot. His hand, there was nothing but blood come in both hands. Then he went to home and said his mother Bhubaneswari Devi and clear all the situation what happened in school. Then his mother said, Beta, it's happened when you will go on the path of truth. You will have to face a lot of problems when you will go path of the truth. Next morning, he went to meet that teacher, and teacher was feeling very guilty and ashamed his work. Then teacher said, please forgive me. Then Narendranath Dutt said, it's my mother made me understand it's happened when you will go path on the truth. Then third incident took place. English teacher didn't come in his classroom, so in the place of English teacher come principal of that school, and he was teaching the poem of William Wordsworth, and while teaching he got a word trans, and while explaining this word trans word, he gave the example of Ramakrishna Paramhans. He was the first person who told the name of Ramakrishna Paramhans. Then, while explaining, said those who want to understand trans situation, he should go and Dakshineshwar. Over there, Ramakrishna Paramhans always live in trance. Then after he went to Chicago, but before going Chicago, his mother Masarda is the wife of Ramakrishna Paramhans. He always respected her as mother. He touched, and at night they both sat and Swami Vivekananda cut the food. After some time, Masarda asked to him for the knife, and Swami Vivekananda, Narendranath Dutt handed over the knife. Then her mother was very pleased and said, you have passed the exam, and this was your exam, now you are eligible to preach. Swami Vivekananda didn't understand anything. Then mother understood, made him understood that when I asked knife, I saw how you handed over the knife. You gave knife by holding sharp edge and kept wooden hand towards me so that I wouldn't get hurt. This was your test in which you passed. Then, while going to Chicago, his friends, King Ajit Singh, he gave the name Swami Vivekananda. Then he went to Chicago. Over there, he reached Chicago on 11 September 1893, and he went to Columbus Hall. Over there, gathered all the religious person. Then he was also over there. Everybody had spoken. At last day, Swami Vivekananda spoke, and in beginning line he spoke, sisters and brothers of America, and everybody was putting the hand to Swami Vivekananda. And what does it mean? What sisters and brothers of America? It means over there where religious person was talking about only his religion, over there Swami Vivekananda taught all the religions and proved that we are the father of your religion. Then like this Swami Vivekananda spoke four things, and he spoke first thing that I belong to that religion which accept all the religion of the world as true. Second, I belong to that religion, I belong to that country which accept all kind of religion, all kind of culture in his lab, in his heart. Then and also give example of Roman Empire when they were attacking over Yahudi, and Yahudi was wandering all over the world. At that time, only country gave place and accept them as brother, as a guest. And the Britisher has give the challenges. You are not a country, you are not nation. And in the Parliament of World Religion, over there Swami Vivekananda proved that we are culture with our culture, we are nation with our culture. Although there are many varieties in our country, caste, color, and religion, they are different, but we are nation with our culture, and prove that we are the culture. From that time, on that time you were wandering in the world to and fro without cloth and like animals. From that time we are the nation, and at that time we instills good buildings as Indus Valley civilization, which is 9,000 years ago. Then third thing is that there had so many religious atrocities, and stop this religious intolerance. Then fourth thing is that Swami Vivekananda said, I consider that this bell had ring in the parliament of British government. It will prove as Mrittunath power, and I consider that it is not a suddenly movement, it is a historical movement, and because of this movement will stop religious intolerance, religious atrocities, and religious frenzy. And overnight they had Swami Vivekananda had populated all the America. And because of his popularity, so many persons come in to meet Swami Vivekananda. But one person was different, and he asked two questions. Swamiji, I worked very hard, I have written, but have never been succeed despite being hardworking. Then Swami Vivekananda understood the whole problem and said, I know you have all the qualities, in front of you have many opportunities, but instead of going to the floor, you are always running after others and moving away from your floor. And losing your talent. The same thing Mahatma Buddha said, that no matter how many virtuous things you have studied, no matter how many Bhagavad Gita, Puran, Ved you have studied, until and unless you will follow in your life, you will implement in your life, it is useless. Raja Ram Mohan Rai and Swami Vivekananda, both of them were the favor of Western technology and science education. And for example, there are two persons. A person who has eyes, and second person who has feet. They both want to cross the road, but if they will make coordination, then they can easily cross the road. And the same thing, Western culture, Western technology, Western science education had feet, and in India spirituality has eyes. They both of them should make coordination, then they can touch highest and highest mountain, and they will touch highest, they will get highest opportunity. Like this, I would like to stop my voice very few lines that राहें जहां तक जाएंगी राहगीर वहां तक जाएगा, दरिया से क्या पूछ रहे हो नीर कहां तक जाएगा, तू खींच धनु की डोर साध निशाना अपनी मंजिल का, बाकी बाद में देखेंगे कि तीर कहां तक जाएगा। जय हिंद।